Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Honda Jazz fuel pump. First, always prioritize safety. Disconnect the car battery's negative terminal to prevent any electrical issues. Next, relieve the fuel system pressure before you disconnect any fuel lines. Always work in a well-ventilated area and keep a fire extinguisher close by for safety. Once safety measures are in place, you can begin accessing the fuel pump. The access panel is typically located under the rear seat of your Honda Jazz. You'll need to remove the rear seat cushion to fully expose the access cover. Then, carefully unbolt and remove this metal cover to reveal the fuel pump assembly. With the fuel pump exposed, it's time to disconnect the components. First, carefully detach the electrical connector from the top of the fuel pump assembly. Next, disconnect the fuel lines, being prepared for a small amount of residual fuel. Finally, use a specialized fuel pump retaining ring tool to loosen and remove the large retaining ring. Now, you can gently lift the entire fuel pump assembly straight out of the fuel tank. Take a moment to inspect the inside of the fuel tank for any debris or contaminants that might be present. When you're ready to reinstall, always use a brand new gasket to ensure a proper seal and prevent any leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.